Okay, here is a video of a 125 gallon in-wall tank with 2 megaflow overflows and the plumbing. This overflow I made myself using a Durso type overflow. I didn't use anything above here. Originally I had one, but I found that it was completely unnecessary since there is a hole right there. The water level is here and it never goes above that level, so I didn't put anything above it. This allows me to put my return pipe here and split it off into 2 returns. So I have 2 on each side of the megaflow. I've got 2 outflows of water. So this goes down and underneath here. This here is the return pipe, which has a gate valve on it for precise control of it. This is the drain pipe, which I put a single shut-off ball valve, and just in case for maintenance, I don't use it anything except for maintenance, and then it goes all the way off. And then both valves, both on both sides, come down here. Here's the release, comes all the way down over to here, and they both drain out into a bag, which I just have sitting there. And that just, if I need to take it out, I just push it out, take it out of the tank, and dump it, clean it, put it back in. My skimmer goes back here. Here's my little plastic top, because this tends to overflow and this keeps it from splattering all over the walls. It's a 40-gallon breeder, which I made myself. My return pump is a Eheim 1262, 1,000 gallons roughly per hour. It comes up into a manifold, and the manifold, my light's a bit low here. The manifold splits off into 2 return lines, and then I have this extra one on the end, which has a ball valve right here, which feeds my 2 little fishies reactor, which I've got a little bit of pellets in right now, and those pellets are about used up. I'll be replacing them pretty soon with some GFO. And then the return lines come back to the tank, put it back in there, everything's done. This is the plumbing. It does take a long time to do. This took me quite a bit of time to design and put out. As you can see over here, same thing. I have the gate valves here, shut off here on this side also with a ball valve, and it's strictly for maintenance. I never use it to restrict flow. And then there's a union, so I can take my plumbing apart. There's a union here, so I can take that plumbing apart. So in total I have 3 unions on this tank from the bulkheads out, so I can take my plumbing apart for maintenance. Works pretty well. I haven't had any leaks, I haven't had any problems with the plumbing. Goes back in pretty easily. Filter bag is there. Once the tank settles, I'm probably going to remove that and leave it out forever and just have it dump into the sump, and with water changes I'll just, as you can see, there's already a little bit of sediment on the bottom there. With water changes I'll go ahead and just remove that, and there's some more here. I'll just remove that, take it out. Should be fine. Here's my reef keeper. Everything looks fine on the tank. Anyway, hope this helps anyone looking to plumb. 125 gallon reef ready. Quite frankly, if I had to do it again, I might just buy the overflow kits. You don't save much by doing it yourself, and it's a pain in the ass. I got news for you, it's a pain in the ass. So anyway, that's it. Hope you enjoy it.